Hey guys, Marcus Stone here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a video in your Squarespace website. So let's get started. Alright, let's say that you want to embed a video, for example, at the end of this blog somewhere here. So what are we going to do is to click edit right here. And we are going to scroll down to that section, and as you can see here, if I hover over with my mouse right here, there's an icon that I'm going to click on, and there is a window that pops up. You click on the video, and as you can see, you can add a URL link of the desired video, and you can hit the apply. You can also customize it. You can use the custom thumbnail to be displayed right here. You can also use a custom text. This text is taking from the source of the video all the information, but you can, of course, edit the text and use yours. Alright, so once you're happy with that, you click apply and click save right here. So there you have it, a video embedded on your Squarespace website. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.